So before I get into the video, just also want to note that I do trade advanced ICT concepts, and if you want to learn how to trade, how I trade in this video, you can join the Discord. It'll be in the description below. And yeah, we mog in there, and we take peptides in there, and we trade and hit banger trades like these. So, you know, it's a good time in there. Should join it. This is my trade for February 11th and how I was able to catch the top of NQ. It's dumped today, and basically just going to be going over a few minutes over the stuff I utilized to go over and execute my trade idea for the day today. So as you can see here from execution, we got in a short at 25394, and we hit TP at 25284. So a little 110 point trade. You know, we're not greedy here, so we didn't hold it all the way. But basically 8:30 we had high impact news, right? ADP non-farm payroll had huge expansion up, right? Look what we hit to the tick. Look what we hit to the tick. This daily CIB and BSI, right? This daily VI, this CIB right here, and we swept these highs right here, and then boom, came down. And this was that resweep, just like we had yesterday. Remember, resweep, take out some sort of buy side liquidity, induce the move lower. Here had a CISD or market structure shifts. Technically this would be better for me. I would like to see this more prominent than this be taken. Then we inversed all these BSIs right here. Then what do? We come up, retest a premium PD array, this order block, right? Notice, look how when we throw a quadrant on it, look where the bodies are being respected. Look where the wicks are being printed, and look where the bodies are being printed, right? So here you have your order block right here, and you have another order block right here, bullish order block right here, or bearish order block, however you want to utilize it. Notice how wick do the damage, bodies are staying at CE. Once I saw this, I was very, you know, strong. Then I included my RTH gap, you know, 70% chance to fill within the first 30 minutes of the opening range. I wanted that really strong draw on liquidity. And then notice where we set the low to the tick with February 9th RTH gap low, and then we continue our trend higher. Now that's what you'd love to see, something like this to the tick. Then we were also above midnight opening price, and you know what I like to say about midnight opening price is equilibrium. And if you don't know, join the Discord and you can learn it, and I'll teach you. Note again, body staying CE is bearish order block. Another bearish order block. Look how we're playing within. Look at these bodies are staying under CE right here. And then we just continue to dump. So basically that was my trade for today. You know, how to bearish a narrative, you know, that I stated for my video yesterday. And yeah, this was my trade I took. I had more reasonings and more stuff, but I'm just kind of keeping this one short today. for today. I'm kind of sick and don't really feel like talking and going over too much, and I was out earlier. But if any of you have certain questions related to this trade, feel free to message me and I'll answer them. Or if you see this video and you have a question, join the Discord and I'll answer it. And then yeah, I mean, pretty straightforward day today. Yeah, like to see lows being respected and everything. So that was my trade for the day, and once again, how I caught the top and I could have held all the way down here if I really wanted to, you know, but I did it. And yeah, this was my trade, and thank you for watching, and make sure to join the Discord if you want to learn how to apply ICT concepts in a way that will make you profitable. So yeah.